Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In this video, you'll discover a variety of amazing short hairstyle ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Get ready to be amazed by the different short haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles, and more. These stunning hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas and gorgeous colors that you can find in my video. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, Poland, Morocco, Germany, Mexico, Spain, Italy, or from anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to keep up with the latest summer fashion trends. When it comes to short hairstyles, there are too much of options to choose from. In this video, we have selected more than 100 different haircut ideas that suits various tastes and preferences. You will witness the beauty of different colors, styles, and lengths, all designed to enhance your natural features and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, and personality. Whether you prefer an elegant and sophisticated look or a more playful style, there is a pixie cut that is perfect for you. These short hairstyles not only on trend but are also incredibly low maintenance, making them a fantastic choice for busy people who still wants to look their best. In today's video, we have a special treat for you. We will showcase a wide variety of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find the perfect look. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have got you covered. So let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of short hair. As we watch this video, you will notice the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From classic black to warm brown, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. You will be surprised how a simple haircut can completely change the appearance of a person. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. It is a true testament to the power of a hair and how a new hairstyle can boost self-confidence and self-esteem and bring about a remarkable transformation. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Remember to watch until the end, as we have many more awesome hairstyles to share with you. If you're finding inspiration from these short haircut ideas, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear which style you like the best and how they inspired you to adopt a new look. If you have not already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon. By doing this, you'll not miss out on any of the latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas, helpful tips, and informative tutorials. We want to be your go-to source for all things short hair, and we can't wait to share more amazing content with you in the future. Thank you so much for joining us today on our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this display of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, and experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your individuality. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care, stay stylish, and see you in the next video.